In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to create and manage team vaults for different departments. Whether you're handling documents, sensitive data, or projects, team vaults help keep everything organized and accessible for your departments. Stick around, because I'll also give you a tool that you can use for free to set this up yourself, exclusive to my channel. First, let's talk about why team vaults matter. A team vault is essentially a secure, centralized space where you can store all files, documents, and resources needed by a specific department. It ensures that everyone in the team has access to the right files without the chaos of cluttered emails or shared drives. And when it's organized, your department works like a well-oiled machine. Now let's jump into how to create one. Most software will have a simple Create Vault button. Start by selecting a clear, easy-to-understand name for the vault that reflects the department or team using it. This makes it easy for anyone in your organization to know where to find what they need. Once the vault is created, the next step is adding team members. Assign permissions based on roles. For example, you may want managers to have full access, while regular team members can have limited access. Some software even lets you customize permissions for specific folders or documents. The more granular control you have, the better. After setting up the vault and assigning roles, you'll want to upload files. Start by organizing the files into logical folders. This is crucial for keeping everything easy to navigate. For example, within a marketing department vault, you might have folders for campaigns, budgets, reports, and so on. This reduces the time spent searching for documents and increases productivity. Managing your vault is just as important as creating it. Regularly update the files, remove outdated ones, and archive anything that's no longer active. You should also perform periodic checks to ensure that only the right people have access to sensitive information. Some software even sends reminders or flags for outdated files, making this process even easier. Another great feature to look for is integration with other tools. If your Vault software connects with project management tools, you can seamlessly link relevant tasks or projects to the files stored in the Vault. This saves time and ensures everything's in one place. Now, before we wrap up, here's the key takeaway. Creating and managing team vaults for different departments is all about keeping everything secure, organized, and easily accessible. The right software can help you achieve that with minimal effort. To recap, first, you create the vault, then assign permissions, organize your files, and maintain the vault by regularly updating it. Don't forget, if you want to follow along, I've got a special offer for you in the description, an exclusive free trial of the software we've been using today, only for viewers of my channel. Take advantage of that trial and you'll be able to set up team vaults for all your departments in no time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.